Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video, you have learned about rattlesnake and mongoose. Now in today's video, we will learn about another desert animal, that is camel. Camel is called the ship of the desert. So to know about it, look into your book paragraph number 8. Another animal which lives in the desert is the camel. Camels were first domesticated by people many thousands of years ago. In the wild, camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 camels. Camels have long shaggy winter coats to keep warm and shorter and tighter coat in the summer to keep cool. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water, that's about 500 full glasses, in just 10 minutes. Normally, however, it gets all the moisture it needs from the desert plants and can survive for up to 10 months without drinking any water at all. So, as I told you that there are many animals live in the desert, and you have learned some of them, such as rattlesnake, mongoose, gerbiles, etc. So one of the desert animal is camel. It is very useful animal in the desert. Around thousands of years ago, camel was tamed by people. It was kept as domestic animal at home. It means people used camel in their houseworks. Usually they live in a group of 30 camels. They have unique capacities to adjust with their atmosphere, like in the desert. They have long untidy hair to use as coat to keep their body warm in the winter season. And this long untidy coat falls away and gets shortened as the hot summer season comes to keep them cool and guard them from the hot and scorching sunlight. One camel can drink almost 30 gallons, about 500 glasses of water whenever they are thirsty, and they can drink 30 gallons of water within just 10 minutes. Normally, the camel gets moisture from the desert plants. The camel can live for around 10 months without drinking any water. It can survive with the moisture of desert plants around 10 months and doesn't drink any water. It means the camel fulfill their need of water with the moisture of desert plants. Now come to the next paragraph. There are two different kinds of camel. One, known as the dromedary, has only a single hump. The other is called a Bactrian. The other is called a Bactrian camel and has two humps. The humps help the animal to survive in the desert by acting as storage containers. But they don't store water. As many people wrongly believe, they are full of fat. This fat nourishes the camels when food is scarce. This fat nourishes the camels when the food is scarce. If they have nothing to eat for several days, their humps shrink as the fat is used up. There are many other ways in which camels are adapted to desert life. Their mouths are so tough that even the sharp thorn cannot pierce through. So in this paragraph, you will know about the kinds of camel. Camels are two kinds. One of them is dromedary. It has a single hump. And the second one is Bactrian, which has two humps. These humps are as storage container in the camel's body. They help the camel to stay alive in the dry desert without water. But these humps don't store any water, as many people think and believe that there is water in the humps of camels, which they drink whenever they feel thirsty and find no water. But in fact, those humps are full of fat, and the camels use this fat as food when food is less in the quantity or there is no food at all. And when this fat is used, the size of humps become smaller as it is used up instead of food. And camels use many other ways to survive and adjust in the hot desert. The skin of their mouths and tongues is so hard and tough that they can eat thorns and they don't hurt their mouths or tongue. Here this chapter comes to an end, and I hope you have got it very clearly. Thank you very much for watching this video.